Yeah. Yes, tell me. White E4.
White E4, black E5,
And F3.
white knight F3, yeah, knight C6,
Right.
another bishop C4,
Yes.
knight F6, um, knight G5,
Right.
uh,
Sir,
pawn D4.
sir, it
Pawn
was
to D5.
knight D4. Sir, knight D4.
Knight D4.
Yes, sir. There was knight D4 also.
How
Wait.
come? How will knight come to D4?
Wait. See,
Knight
knight
was not D4, it was pawn D4.
pawn D4.
It was
Pawn
pawn D4.
D5. Pawn D5. Then pawn takes pawn. Knight takes pawn. Then
Yeah.
knight takes
Then knight takes pawn F7,
yeah. King takes F7.
king takes F7. Then queen F3
F3
gives check.
check. Then king.
Then
King
king
moves
to E6.
Yeah.
King to E6.
Then
Then knight C3
C3. Right.
and knight B4 or E7.
Yeah. So we are stopped over here.
Yeah, either it was B4 or it was E7.
Okay. So everybody pay attention. Here we have stopped because now there are how many attacks on this knight? 1, 2, and 3 attacks. And how many supports? Only 1 and 2. So as per our rules, you should give third support, otherwise you are going to lose the piece. So how the support to knight will come? Because you are not allowed to move this knight, it is pinned. This is pinned. You are not allowed to move it. So the support will either come from this knight over here or this knight over here. So there are two different lines here. And out of which we have seen this line. But this is not recommended because what happens? What happens? If this is done, then the support is attacked as per our rules. If you attack support, you get the treasure. If you attack the guard, you get the treasure. So now he is the guard. This is the guard guarding this. You attack guard. Attack may come over here, giving check. Okay. So for this check, this may go over here. If this takes another piece is given, another piece. But here, what will happen? You get back one piece. So now one rook down, but all three pieces in the center and ब्लैक का राजा तो बाग में बगीचे में घूम रहा है तो 100% चांसेस आर दैट कि मेट हो जाएगा इनफैक्ट इससे मारने से बजाय अगर इससे मारेंगे तो और भी तकलीफ बिकॉज इफ दिस कम्स ओवर हियर देयर इज अ चेक दिस कम्स ओवर हियर देयर इज अ चेक so many checks will continue it will not stop at all if this comes अब यहाँ पर सपोर्ट नहीं है try to understand so but we will see that line okay now what will happen next so for knight over here knight over b4 this is what is to be played okay or there is one more move which is played ignoring this just ignoring this because this is the attack is going on over here so you should not worry about that simple pawn or anything okay so according to you what would be white's move better move then I will tell you what is what white plays
Sir, can I say?
yes
Castling.
castling okay anybody else
Sir, castling.
okay any other opinion Tejas Ajay sorry Manisha
Should
because attack is over here. That is the main concern. Okay. And this also is without any support. Only king is supporting. So that support is very bad support. A big piece is supporting, it is a bad support. Small piece is supporting, it is a good support. So again, if you attack this pawn, it's going to be a very bad thing for black. See, one thing, this knight, if it doesn't remain on this place, automatically you are getting this catch. So वो यहाँ पर रहने के लिए आ गया है, तो उसे आप ज्यादा और हकाल देने से यू आर वेस्टिंग योर मूव. दिस इज अ वेस्ट ऑफ मूव. उसे अगर ये मारना ही है तो वो वहां से निकलने वाला है. अगर वो वहां से निकलने ही वाला है तो ये मिलेगा ही आपको. सो यू शुड नॉट वरी अबाउट दिस टू गेट द प्राइज. नाउ योर प्राइज इज दिस and this is your prize. So what Sri Kirtan had suggested, that is a very good move. Very
Sir,
good.
it will also protect the king from a fork in the next move of
And there is one more move, that is this. See, what this is doing, attacking this square. Earlier when we saw little variation, this king was traveling and king was coming over here. This square, you saw that. So better catch that square earlier. Now the choice is that if black ignores, then what will happen? This is one attack, second attack will come. If black ignores this and black continues playing, now so you will be here naturally making a way for your rook, and now the attack is over here. You can do this, but still this will come over here, or yeah, this will come over here.
Hello.
Not that, not that. The check is there. Then the check is there, and nobody can kill this. You get your piece back. After this check, you can come up, saving your queen. So let me go back to our position. This is a good move, and as Ishan and everybody has said, castling is also a good move. Okay, both are equal moves. Both are equal moves. There is
Sir,
one
it will
more.
also protect the rook.
Yeah.
It will also protect the king from the fork.
There is
Which will come on later.
one more move you are forgetting. That is this. If queen comes to e4, then queen is protecting this. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Very easy. So that is one more. And then next this pawn will come over here, attacking this pawn. Or this pawn also come over here, attacking this pawn. So many attacks will come on this pawn. Who is going to save? So we will continue with our variation. You write the move better castling. Castling is much better move. देखो यहाँ पर ये इसको मार सकता ही नहीं है ना. We have seen that. If he kills, you get back your piece. Check, and then you can simply save this. Common sense. यहाँ पर ये pawn खाली pawn जा रहा है, but you are getting back your piece. So this will not move. So not what black's correct move now. I want it from you. Now you think yourself as that you are black, playing for black. A very common sense move.
Sir, queen 2 steps ahead.
Okay, I will keep that reserved. Queen where?
2 steps ahead, sir.
2 steps ahead. Okay, I will keep that in reserve. Anything else?
Sir, I have another.
Yes, Hartej, can you tell me, beta? Hans, can you tell me? Kanushka, Tejas, very obvious move now. See, whatever black is doing, that is for digesting one piece. Black has got one piece extra in lieu of a pawn. So 2 points extra. If black could digest that piece, another 5 to 10 moves, then black is going to win. So very important point over here for white is continuous attack. Perhaps this castling is the only move where the attack didn't take place. This is the only move, but that is a preparation of attack because this may come anytime over here and attacking this.
Sir, bishop to d6.
Okay. Shri said this over here and you said this over here. Ultimate purpose is same.
To support the
Support
pawn.
the pawn. Support the pawn. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? See what
Sir,
is
माझ्याकडे एकदम भारी trick ते सांगू.
what is the main problem on your board is supporting this. This is the main problem.
Sir, can I say
Yes, Anushka. Yes.
pawn to c6 to protect the
Absolutely,
knight?
absolutely right. You are correct. See, once pawn comes over here, there is a support from the pawn. So any piece, it attacks this piece or captures this piece. Black gets back his piece again with the help of pawn. There is no need of this. There is no need of this. There is no need of this. Equalizer. Pawn is not attacking. Piece is attacking. 3 pointer is attacking. 3 points will lose. 3 points attack. 3 points lose. 10 points attack. 10 points lose. So whoever attacks, you will lose. So this is the must move. Now this can go back also here, and this can go over here also and giving another support. Just possibility I am saying. And this can go over here, attacking this, and then this can go over here back, attacking this. So many possibilities. And here also it has got a support. Or then what, as you suggested, this can come over here. Then this can come over here attacking this. So many good options are there. So this is what black plays. This is the first good move for black. So you write that move. Now there is a way for this black to go over here. Safety. All black has to do is that just continue for 3-4 moves and see that this goes to the safety. And what white has to do is that do not allow this to go over here. What you will do to control these 3 squares? Tell me. White's move.
Sir,
Yes.
for controlling those squares, white needs to attack the pawn, which is ahead of the king.
Yes. Very good.
And
This.
and for that, the pawn may either move over here or the rook may move over here.
Okay. Anybody else? Hans? Anushka? Kanushka? Arav?
Sir.
Yes. Ishan?
White knight to d6. Sorry, d5.
White knight to d5. Okay. Then what will happen? This knight will come back over here.
हो सर एकच मिनिट.
Then pawn will come over.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes. Yes.
Hello?
Yes, Manisha. Yes, Manisha.
Queen to G4.
Queen to
White queen to G4.
G4 or saying this. That means you are trying to cover this and you are trying to attack this. That is
No, white queen. White queen, I'm saying.
okay. Sorry. White to
We are
G4.
playing white now, no?
Yeah. G4. If queen comes over here, then this will come over here and this attack will unleash.
Okay.
My question was, you have to control this line. How you will control it? That control is only possible with the help of your bishop.
So the pawn will go ahead to
Yes.
D4.
So pawn will move ahead before to eliminate this pawn.
Yeah, D4.
And then attack on this pawn is also important. Look, if you attack and king starts moving here, imagine if you attack this, the king starts moving here, then here, and then here, and then here. By that time, you can kill the pawn with the bishop and continue attack over here.
Sir, if we attack the pawn after we attack it over here, then it will be a checkmate.
Yes, correct.
After it reaches here,
Correct.
the last, if we attack the pawn after the king reaches d8, then it will be a checkmate, right?
Yeah. So many possibilities are there. So many possibilities. You are not looking at one possibility. I am very much telling you ahead. See, if king somehow comes over here, it is most dangerous. King comes over here, it is very much dangerous because this comes over here and it gives you check and you get the queen. That is very much possible. So it is now white's move. What you will move? You are losing this
On D4.
on d4. Okay. This is what somebody suggested. Any other suggestion? Look, this move is bad, so don't suggest this move at all. Now, since pawn has supported this, there is no question of attacking this. It is pinned, and that is why this has become immovable, and that is the main concern for black. Nothing else. And for white, all interest in this has gone. Our interest will be on this and this.
So then you can take the rook E1.
Yeah, rook takes e1. Then if it comes over here, then
Sir, can I say?
yes.
Sir, queen to e2.
Yeah, queen to e2 or queen to e4. See, queen to e4 is saving this also and attacking this also.
Yes, sir.
Much better. Much better.
आपण चेक दिला तर
Check कुठून देणार? Check जर का दिला तर काय होतं ना? What will happen? Check is there. So this will move. So let us see. I will show you that.
okay.
If you give check, this will move and then attack will be on queen. And then
if queen attacks bishop, then queen
queen
will
has
attack
to move. Queen has to move over here or anywhere. Then this goes over here and saved. Permanent save. Now, if you kill this, this will come. और फिर वो digest किया. Everything digested.
Then in this case, the queen can go to G7.
Okay.
And then black will win.
G7. So this will come.
Okay.
So it is becoming safer and safer and safer. And then that when the attack comes over here, and then the attack will come over here. So these all things, open things are now good for black. King is safe, one piece up. It is just a matter of hardly 10 or 15 moves and black will win. So what is to be done? So this check is not good. Check is not good. What you will do?
Queen 2,
Perhaps
E4.
this is the best move, I'll tell you. Why? Because you write this move. This is most important because you are freeing up your bishop. Very important. All other moves are not free. Then you are playing with only these three pieces. And as I said, continuous attack, attack, attack. This is giving attack. You have written?
Yeah.
So white's move is over. This move. Now black's move. अभी देखो ब्लैक ने अगर ये मूव किया ना तो बहुत डेंजर है बिकॉज दिस विल कम ओवर हियर अटैकिंग दिस एंड अटैकिंग दिस मोस्ट डेंजरस so still black cannot kill this. Just 1 minute. Hello. Hello. हाँ. बरं. Yeah, sorry. So this is the white's move. Now black to play. Think.
The bishop to D6.
Bishop to D6. Okay. To save this.
Yeah.
Fine.
So can I say?
Yes.
Sir, what will it's a doubt. What will happen if the pawn takes pawn, and the pawn does not have any supports?
I will show you all of you what he has said and we will continue afterwards with this position only. Say pawn takes pawn. Next move, check. This cannot go over here. This can go only over here or here. If this goes over here, then
The knight will move to d5, giving check again, and king cannot move again back
but
to c7, so it will only have to move to d7.
But the pawn will kill the knight.
come on. So many things.
Pawn will take the knight. No,
Pawn-
if it goes to
Pawn takes
D5.
knight and bishop takes pawn. Again, king will have restrictions to move.
You are forgetting this. Now white has chance to kill this. And again pinning. Again pinning. Most easy move is what? This. Max to max, this will come over here and attack this. And attack this. But then, check. What will you do? This cannot go over here. Cannot go over here. Cannot go over here. The only chance is this and this. And this. 3 chances. 1, 2. This is very bad. Because again this will come.
Even rook can give the direct.
No, even
check.
yeah, this is also a big trouble. This is the only thing which I could see. Because here and here, queen will come over here, give check and get it. So the only chance is here. And with this, what to do? Naturally, you will come over here, saving your queen. अब ये तो किधर भी नहीं जा सकता है, कहीं भी नहीं जा सकता है. So if this kills, mate.
Basically, this is not. This is a 16 move checkmate.
Here, so many combinations are there for checkmate that simply what you have to do is increase the pressure on your opponent, right? Your attack. Increase the pressure. There are many combinations. We have seen just one combination. We have seen. So first up to 8 or 10 moves, it is that combination. Here, we castled, no, yeah. So this is what combination we see. The real move goes, 1 minute. Yeah. So instead of this, it goes here. So this is what 8th move I have given earlier, 8th move variation.
Yeah, you have given it in bracket.
Yeah. And this is what is played main line. This knight e7 is main line, but here also there is a glitch. There is a problem because ये particular square जाने का रास्ता जो है किंग का रोक देते हैं, and ये also knight को रोक bishop को रोक देता है. So that is the big trouble over here. आगे आया तो भी ट्रबल है, पीछे गया तो भी ट्रबल है. आगे आया तो ट्रबल जल्दी आता है, पीछे गया तो ट्रबल थोड़ा लेट आता है. But trouble is there. So now after this, what will be your move? Common sense. Castling. Castling has to be there.